El momento icónico está acá. Hola gente, ¿cómo están? Yo soy Fabri Velazquez acá en un nuevo video. Espero que estén muy bien, gente, porque yo también estoy muy bien. Hoy volvemos a Omegle. Hoy es uno de los momentos más icónicos del fútbol paraguayo. Vamos a entrar a Omegle y se estarán preguntando: Fabri, ¿qué vamos a hacer en Omegle? Yo te respondo: vamos a conquistar. Vamos a ver si conseguimos algunos Instagrams. Voy a decir en Omegle que aparte de ser youtuber, soy futbolista también ahora. Como saben, ahora empecé a jugar y voy a hacer serie de mis partidos también acá en mi canal de YouTube. Así que vamos a ver si así consigo Instagram más fácil. Así que espero que estén dejando su gran like, gente. Revienten el botón de like. Y si veo muchísimos me gustas, segunda parte, al toque hacemos. Al toque la segunda parte. Ustedes saben, gente, así que sin alargar más las cosas, vamos directo a Omegle. Espero que ya hayan dejado su like, ¿ok? Bye. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good. What's your name?
Riley, what's yours?
My name is Fabricio.
Fabricio?
Fabrizio,
Okay.
like Fabrizio.
San Pedro del Paraná.
Fabrizio.
I cannot say the
Why? It's so easy. Try, please.
Fabrizio.
Yes. Beautiful. If I can do 20 kicks and I do this, you give me your Instagram, right?
Sure.
Okay. I wanna try.
Se concentra el Mesías. Quiere su gol. El mejor jugador del mundo. Quiere su gol. El capitán de la Carolina. Dale, acariciala, Rey. Genio, crack, figura, hágalo. Va Messi. Para la leyenda. Messi. Pero claro, señor. ¡Gol!
Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook.
Riley, I like your name.
Thank you. I like yours.
El mejor jugador del mundo.
Are you a big soccer fan?
Yes, of course.
Soccer, I play it.
Really? I play too. Is this?
Yes.
Ah, okay. I follow you. Look, I play football.
What's your number? Like, what's your jersey number?
Like 10 or 11.
11's mine.
I use 11 too. Look. This
Nice.
position you play.
Outside right back.
I you say my position in English.
Are you an offensive player?
Strikers in the
Okay.
striker, but not number 9.
Not center. You're one of the outside strikers.
Yeah.
Right or left?
Yes, that's my position. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm high.
You hi. Ah, okay, yeah, I understand you. Hecho puta también.
Lo suponía.
Your name is Hi or you are Hi?
I'm high.
And what's your name?
Why?
Sin sentimiento el corazón.
Stop playing with me, bitch!
What?
Sorry, my fault. Is my English not good? Oh, I like your hairstyle. No, la cagué. Hi. Ah. Hello. No. Hi, how are you?
Fucking rope and toasted. I don't know why this shit got me lazy right now. Yeah.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's
What
your
about
name?
you?
What?
What about you?
I'm very good. What's your name?
Milena.
Milena.
Yes.
Beautiful name.
Thank you so much. What's yours?
My name is Fabricio.
I will not be trying to pronounce that. I'm sorry.
Why not? It's easy.
It's like Fabricio.
Yes, like this.
With my Polish accent, I cannot pronounce anything correctly.
Don't worry, you say correct.
I just don't wanna embarrass myself.
Fabricio is right. It's right.
You're like football fan, I see.
I am football player.
You are?
Yes.
Cool.
I can do now 20 kicks with the... No puede ser, man, la cagué, ¿verdad? No. Era perfecta. Qué imbécil que soy, ya. Unas cosas no puede hacer bien, ya. No, pero no, es que dije algo mal. Yo le iba a decir el tema de las picaditas para que me dé su Instagram y al final se fue. No, qué imbécilo.
El silencio invadió todas las casas de Italia. Sobre el campo, Roberto Baggio miraba hacia el suelo con los brazos en jarra. No era una simple imagen de derrota. Era como si aquel prodigio hubiese perdido su alma. Nunca antes se había visto una imagen tan desoladora sobre un campo de fútbol. En sus ojos podía verse la tristeza infinita, la representación de un...
Que todos andan mirándola.
Oh, I know that song. It's by, what's his name?
Sharon Botapluma.
Yes.
Yeah, Sharon Botapluma. Do you know him?
Yeah. I know that song.
La verdad que los números no engañan, las estadísticas nunca engañan. Y miren las estadísticas.
I know that song.
What the fuck?
You speak English?
Yes.
You do?
No.
Oh.
So,
Say-
what's your names? What's your names? What's your names?
Nico and Nico.
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 All right. And what's your name?
Nigga.
Neuba. That's my name. That's my name. Neupea.
What is it?
Neupea.
Your name's what?
Neupea. My name is Neupea.
Nupera?
Pea. Pea. Pea.
Pera. Okay, what was the first thing? Te upera.
No.
He's making us
Close.
sound
So
dumb.
close. So close. So close.
What did I say? I don't know. What did we say?
Neupea.
Pea?
Pea. Yes.
Pea.
Pea. Yeah.
Pea.
Yes. Finally.
What's your real name?
All right.
Enrique.
Enrique.
Oh, Enrique.
Oh, yeah,
I had a
that
friend
was
named.
easy.
Yeah.
Yes, that was easy. All right. Found my real name, right?
Yeah, what's your real name?
Fabricio.
What does that mean?
Fabricio is my name.
If that's not your real name.
What? You never hear that name?
Oh, like the model.
Who?
Messi.
Messi? That's Messi, my favorite football player.
So how do you play football? You play with a soccer ball? No, bitch.
Like
Or
No, we're talking about American
all right.
football.
I want to show you American football, right?
Down, set, height. Throw it. Catch it. Yeah.
What? What you do? I see you.
you know who you look like? You look like the Flash,
Really?
the actor.
No way.
Yeah.
I am.
Go mad again. Go mad. Go start running.
Fucking Robitussin. I don't know why this shit got me lazy right now. Yeah, can't do.
You say yes. Hello.
Hello, beautiful ladies.
Hey, sexy.
Thank you. I know that.
Let him cook.
Hello. How are you?
Doing wonderful. How are you?
I'm very good. What's your names?
My name is Athena. My name's Davey.
Beautiful names. I like it.
Thank you. What's your guys' names?
My name is Fabricio and his name is Yugi.
Yeah.
How old are you?
18. 21.
I wanna try? You have 21.
Yes, 21.
Really? If I make 20 kicks with the ball, you give me your Instagram.
Sure.
Really? I wanna try. Don't skip it.
Wait. We need some music on. Can I turn on some music first?
Of course. Play the music. I wanna try.
Okay, go! Go!
Let me try again, please. One more time. Just one.
Dale, acariciala, Rey. Genio, crack, figura, hágalo. El mejor jugador del mundo. ¿Quiere su gol? El capitán de la escaloneta. Allí va Messi. ¡Pero que viva el fútbol! ¡Gol!
give it to you that intro with Kiss. Everything.
Yo pertenezco a Jesús. Con esa frase celebraba los goles Kaká, con la cabeza hacia arriba y los brazos mirando al cielo, porque hubo un día, a sus 18 años, en el que el último balón de oro brasileño estuvo a punto de quedarse tetrapléjico.
You know, I'm a football player. It's too easy for me 20 kicks.
You're a YouTuber?
Yes, I'm football player too.
I remember his hands.
Yes, I am. Look this.
What the
Look this.
fuck? What the fuck?
Yes.
El mejor jugador del mundo.
I give you that. I wanna give you that. Candy for you.
Hey, thank you.
For you.
Thank you.
Ya el Mirón ingresando por derecha y convirtiendo el 2-1 en el marcador.